Looking to give your PC build a fresh, professional edge? SilverStone's PP07 individually sleeved power supply cable extensions offer exactly that: more length, better airflow, and a polished appearance that stands out. Whether you're upgrading your setup or just want a cleaner look inside your case, these cables deliver both style and function right out of the box. I've tested the PP07 cables myself on a high-end rig with an RTX 3090, and the difference is clear. Each wire is individually sleeved in black, which not only looks sharp but also helps with cable management. The extended length means you can route cables more freely, especially in larger cases or with complex motherboard layouts. It took a little time to arrange everything perfectly, but once I added a few 24-pin cable combs, the setup looked like a custom job: clean, organized, and professional. The PP07 line covers all the essential connections: 24-pin motherboard, 4+4-pin EPS, 6+2-pin PCIe, 6-pin PCIe, and 4-pin SATA. One standout is the PP07 PCIe set, which includes an 8-pin to PCIe 8-pin, 6+2 connector, ideal for systems that demand both length and neatness. These cables don't just extend your PSU's reach, they optimize airflow by reducing clutter and improve the overall aesthetics inside your case. If you're aiming for a build that looks as good as it performs, these extensions are worth a look. If you're ready to elevate your PC's internal design and functionality, SilverStone's PP07 cable extensions are a straightforward upgrade that pays off. They're compatible with all power supplies, come in multiple color options, and offer a sleek, durable sleeve that resists wear. Try them when you're ready to transform your setup. Your system will thank you with cleaner airflow and a professional look that lasts.